Hey there, this is Don, Cador's Valley Traction Company. Last 2 weeks, been working on that crossing, tore it out because the one that we had in there, the gauge was wrong. The rails were moving around on me. So the last 2 weeks, I spent time replacing it, putting it together. The only thing that's left to do is to cut the flangeways, add some more solder to make it a little more solid. So here's some updates for you. Enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. The other week I posted a video of the crossing that was finished here. Last week I looked at it, and I said, okay, well, you see I tore it out. The gauge was messed up on it, and the softer rail, it went out of gauge, and so much solder on it, decided, okay, this isn't gonna work. So, the cross ties, the PC board and stuff, I reused maybe some pieces someplace. But then last week I started relaying this. I'm gonna work on this a little differently, so I don't have so many rails at one time messing up on me. Oh, I had a kink in here, which didn't work. It's a sharp bend, so we'll straighten that out. So we got this one laid in nice and smooth. Then next I'll lay one of these rails in to go across here, get that in nice and smooth, get that in, and finish up with this one, keeping it all in gauge. So that's what's going on right now, and I'll give you an update at the end of the night. All right, it's an hour and a half, 2 hours later. Yeah, this is what we got accomplished tonight. Getting it relayed and keeping it in gauge and piecing things together. It's a little bit warm in here at the club room, and I got one more piece of rail I got to put in here, right in this area. But I made it just a little bit too long, so we'll get that next week. All right, so for now, this is Don, Cador's Valley Traction Company at the CVT extension at the Miniature Railroad Club of York. See you next week. Bye. So now this is week 2 at rebuilding this. This time I'm very happy with it. The gauge works out. Had to piece a little bit there. Still need some soldering to fill in the gaps. But we are getting things together here. The gauge is good, and I just got to get down through there with a saw and my the little Dremel and open up the flangeways of the cross members and throw some solder in there, smooth things out, make it a little sturdier, and we're in good shape, and we completed that loop there. Yay! So, as we make more progress, we'll keep you informed. Have a good one. Bye-bye.